shift change. Anyway, you can call somebody and see if they'll let us take it on the EG, if they can hold these couple trains up, or what.
Alright. Keep on grinding, we'll figure it out.
Okay. Like I said, I know it's shift change, but, I mean, we're everything but there now.
That's right.
Yo, Jake. Hey, Dave.
Go ahead and show me north of South Rockwood.
You are north of South Rockwood, understand?